Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have my 190E 1988. Now it's decided to leak fuel from this hose. This hose connects to the tank. Now I've been waiting for this hose for some time to come, and it was quite lucky just to find it, really. I got it from a company called Pelican Parts, who also sent me a free gift together with a part. Now I've been waiting for a while for it to come because it's come from the US. I'm here in the UK, and I found it almost impossible to get. So I'm gonna be changing it today, as it has started leaking from here. Before it was leaking from this end, but now it's really deteriorated and it's leaking from somewhere even up here, I think. So we're gonna have a look at that in a minute and just try to replace it. Okay, so I just opened this clip here and that rubber a little bit, that hose there a little bit, so I can get some of the fuel out. I didn't put much fuel in there, so it shouldn't take long to drain. So I'll just wait for that to happen. Once it's drained, then I can tackle the bolt, the nut to undo the hose, which is up there. And I think we need for that, it's a 22mm spanner. Okay, so this has leaked out all the fuel, just a few drops there, and now we can open that nut with my 22 here. That's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I am now just preparing the hose that's gonna go from here to there. So this is what originally this hose was going all the way from there to here, but for some reason this is shorter. Not sure why. So luckily I had my original repair, which makes the hose just the right size. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to put that in there and fit that back in there with my Jubilee clips. Okay, I've got it all on, nice and tight there, here, join it here. This part here, this bit here, was on the old hose. It was like a cover. It was just covering the hose. So I just took it out and put it on this one. If it gives some extra protection, then why not? And then all we have to do left is tight the nut. Well, okay, I think that's okay. It doesn't have to be over tightened. If you see a little bit of fuel leaking from there, then you can tighten it a little bit more. So I'm gonna put some petrol in the tank now and check for leaks here. And if I'm happy, then that will be it. Now we can inspect the area, make sure there's no leaks. I got 4 liters of petrol in there. Okay, so it all looks good to me. There's no leaks, so I'm happy with that, and we can be happy again. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe. Now we can go and pick up Barbie and we can go party.